welcome back to the Little Scale Cars YouTube channel. Today I've got something completely different than I have done before on this here channel. We are going to do an unboxing because I just got back from the store and was managed to find the new Track Day box set, which is one of the first box sets where I actually want all three cars. The one in the center there, perhaps not as much as the other two, but this is a deco that I wanted from the 2-pack. But I didn't want to rebuy a car I already had. And then this one is obviously the second release of this casting, and I think it's a really cool deco. So we're going to go ahead and get this out of the package here and get a little closer look at it. Alright, so there we have it out of the kind of box display. So first things first, I am not even remotely interested in the hauler. I know a lot of you guys probably are. Sorry, go ahead and click off now if that's what you're into. I don't care about that. I'm here for these cars, which look fantastic. So this deco, again, like we said, is a repeat of one that was in a Target exclusive 2-pack. But that also came with a repeat of the Lancia the Lancia 037, which I didn't want to buy the same car twice. So really glad that that one came in here. And then we also have our Lamborghini Asenza. This is the second release of this casting. And our Sauber, which is also the second release for this casting. So there's our Audi Quattro. Really cool. Obviously, I'm a big fan of this casting. This deco really puts it over the top for me, though. Probably my favorite deco this casting's gotten, especially premium-wise. There's been a couple really good mainlines, though. This is a casting that we've gotten lots of cool decos for. Alright, and here's our Lamborghini Asenza, the second deco that we've gotten for it. It's a nice deco. I like the dark blue. It matches up with the black. It's going to go nicely with the first release, the Exotic Envy one. A lot more wheel gap on this particular one, I'm noticing. I wonder if the original had that too, and I just never realized it. Alright, and there is the Sauber. I really like that deco. Go ahead and take its engine cover off. No kind of, wow, that's kind of weird. No paint or anything on the engine details there, but, I don't know. I haven't taken the engine cover off of any of my Hot Wheels Premiums that have an engine cover in a while. I'm not sure if that's, normal or not. Anyway, we'll put it back in there. And just for you who do want to see it, I'll get you a closer look on the truck, the hauler. I'm not even going to bother taking it off of the thing, though, because I have no interest in it whatsoever. Alrighty, so obviously I will do either full reviews or recolor showcases for these castings. None of these are new castings, but I have never reviewed this casting, and I've never reviewed this casting. So I might do full reviews for those, and we'll definitely do a recolor showcase for that, since it is its second release. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, Comment down below telling me what your thoughts are on this particular box set. And go ahead and subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next video.